Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Through issue analysis, eMaster NCE Campus Insight detects a high interference issue that's found on neighboring APS working on channel 1. What should be done to solve this issue? Option A. Check whether the DHCP server is connected. Option B. Adjust neighboring APS to different channels. Option C. Restart APS. Option D. Limit the rate of access users. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Adjust neighboring APS to different channels. Question 2. Which of the following statements is false about PO power supply? Option A. Wi-Fi 6 APS must use 802.3 power supply. Option B. PO++ technology complies with IEEE 802.3 which provides a maximum of 81.6 W power to PDs. Option C. PO technology complies with IEEE 802.3 which provides a maximum of 12.95 W power to PDs. Option D. PO+ technology complies with IEEE 802.3 which provides a maximum of 25.5 W power to PDs. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Wi-Fi 6 APS must use 802.3 BT power supply. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.